Hey guys, have you seen Jared? It's time for Quattros and Answers. On that note, okay, y'all be cool.
What's up, everyone? It's Jared from Audi, Wilmington, and today we are back with another Quattros and Answers. Let's get into it right after this pit stop, shall we? Let's go! Boom. Well, what up, Chris?
What's up, bro? How are you?
Coolin'. Question: what is your scariest or most spooky Audi repair?
I'd say probably the rear timing covers on the supercharged V6. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to spend all day taking those cats out, and they're just a nightmare.
I got you. Appreciate you, big dog. Ah. Yeah, wake up, Big Sean. You sleeping on the job? Nah, I'm coolin'. What is your most scary Audi repair?
Ooh, I would say the 4.2 V8 timing chains. Definitely don't like doing those.
I hear you. All right, appreciate you, big dog. Enjoy your nap. Yo, what's up, Nick?
Yo, what's up, Terry?
Coolin'. What is your scariest Audi repair?
Any e-tron battery repair where I am required to wear a high voltage suit.
Sick. Thank you for checking the oil in your high voltage suit. Yo, what up, Logan?
What's going on?
Seeing how you're busy, I'll make this quick. What is the most scary or spooky Audi repair?
The one I'm doing right now, A4 evaporator. I'm having nightmares just thinking about it.
Yeah. All right. Well, happy Halloween, my man. Yeah, what up? What's good, bro?
Everything good? How about you?
Good. What is the scariest Audi repair and why?
I would say anything that has to be with the inner body of the vehicle, just because you're literally chasing your tail to see like if it's a wire and you don't know where it's at. Like you literally have to take everything out of the car to see where that wire is at. So
Appreciate you, big dog. All right, everyone, that's a wrap for this episode of Quattros and Answers. As always, make sure you drop a like, turn on the post notifications so you know when we drop the next episode. As always, stay safe, enjoy spooky season, and we'll catch you guys soon. Peace. Wait.